Good morning, everyone. My name is Genevieve Zulak, and I'm the manager of residence life here at Nipissing University. And I'm just going to share my screen with you so that you can see our presentation. And we'll begin talking about residence this morning. Great to have you online with us, and great to be connecting with you for our open house, virtual and in person. As I mentioned, my name is Genevieve Zulak. We're going to talk today about our residence buildings, what your NU home might look like, and what the community experience is that you can anticipate if you choose to make one of our residences your home away from home during your time as a Nipissing University student. We have 4 residence complexes with up to 974 residents at a time. We have 3 suite style or apartment style buildings and 1 townhouse style complex. Our communities each offer some common amenities and services and supports that I'll talk about through this presentation. As well, each placement offers you the privacy of your own bedroom with all the benefits of sharing your common space and new experiences with your new roommates. Since most of our audience today are folks coming from high school, I'm going to focus on our suite style buildings at the moment. In this slide, you will see a diagram of the typical layout of a typical suite. As you see, there are 4 individual bedrooms, 2 full bathrooms, and a full-size kitchen and living area. With so much shared space, a suite-style building has a lot of benefits. Full-size kitchens mean you can make the meals or snacks that you love, or have your favorite things on hand whenever you need to fuel late-night study sessions. A big living room area means that you can invite friends or a study group over without having to host them in your bedroom. Finally, having your own bedroom means that you get the private space to yourself, where you can close the door for privacy, but still have roommates close by to hang out with, to chat with about your day, or maybe make a meal or watch some TV with. Each bedroom, each suite has lots of common amenities and some key features to make your living experiences as comfortable as possible. There's plenty of additional storage space in the common area, 1 bathroom for every 2 students, and a full-size fridge and oven, including a gas stove. Each suite has full control of their own thermostat and air conditioning, and all areas of the suite come with basic furnishings for 4 persons. If you're wondering about who you might need to, or what you might need to make yourself at home, what to bring and what not to bring, list is available on our website. Each bedroom is approximately the size noted on the slide and includes a bed and mattress, a desk and desk chair, and a dresser. Sometimes students choose to rearrange the furniture to make the space their own. This is permitted so long as you put the furniture back to where its original location before you leave, and so long as the furniture is not damaged in the process. You can also personalize your space with the things that you bring to decorate, like bedding, a lamp, your own memorabilia, even a mini fridge is permitted. Apologies, I have a frog in my throat. One aspect of living in residence that is uniquely anticipated is the prospect of living with roommates. At Nipissing, we still hand select your roommate placement based on the information that students provide in their residence application. When you fill out your residence application, you will have the opportunity to tell us about your living style. This includes questions about things like cleanliness. Are you super tidy or maybe more relaxed in your cleaning style? Socialization. Do you like to have people over and be visiting around the clock or only on weekends? Do you like your living space to be very warm or consistently cool? Are you an early riser or a night owl? Do you like your study space silent or with some background noise? All of these things help us determine your living style. Sometimes students will ask if they will be placed with roommates from their same academic program. While this might happen, we know that not all English majors are night owls. So we focus first on the attributes of your living style that will ensure a comfortable living environment. Often students ask, can I select my own roommates? Yes, absolutely. Once you've completed your application, this option will be available to you on our eRes Life portal. Roommates can mutually select each other by creating a roommate group through this option, and each has to agree to the requested roommate match. If both students do not agree, they will not be placed together. We recommend that you choose roommates carefully. Just because you went to the same high school as someone doesn't mean that you will have the same living style. We recommend that you talk to any friends who you might want to live with about how they answered their living style questions on the application, so you can better determine if you're a good match for living together in the year ahead. What if? Often the idea of living with roommates makes new students nervous. What if there are differences or conflicts? Living with new people is a huge adjustment that requires everyone to compromise and cooperate with each other to have a cohesive living environment. When issues arise, residence dons are available to help students navigate their new experiences with roommates and to offer communication skill development. There's a lot that can be worked through, and we do our best to support you. Oh, sorry. Student success is important to us. We know that everyone who comes to live in residence is there based on their common academic goal. But there's also a lot of students who will learn outside of the classroom as they navigate independent living, often for the first time. Each student has a residence don assigned to the floor or section where they live to help support and connect students to any needed resources on campus as well as in the greater community. Residence dons also plan activities to help students make connections with one another and check in regularly to keep students in their community up to date on important residence and campus information, whether it's events and activities happening in the building, planning for your end of semester departure for a holiday break, or upcoming services and supports that might be available, like bursary and award application deadlines. Every community has an academic don who is a peer leader focused on connecting students with resources and support in order to be academically successful, since we know that everyone's here to be a student first. In addition to peer supports, each complex offers some amenities and supports for all students. Residence is at your service. Each building has its own front desk to serve students of that residence complex, and each desk is staffed by knowledgeable professional staff and student peers who can share information about residence, the campus, and the greater North Bay community. Each residence complex also has a dedicated residence maintenance staff who look after your home away from home. Through a simple online maintenance request, they can assist you with everything from replacing a light bulb to figuring out why the toilet won't flush. These staff support any facilities-related emergencies that might come up as well, and we have an on-call process for that. Our dons on duty are peer supporters, so they're fellow students, along with on-call professional staff who support them, who are all available around the clock and are ready to provide support for challenges big and small. Each residence complex has, again, some common amenities. There are laundry rooms in each building, available 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. The laundry in our residences are coin operated with a cost of $1.50 for a wash and $1.50 for a dry, a loonie and 2 quarters. Laundry tutorials are available, but you might want to get a head start on this now if you haven't done your laundry too much already. Garbage and recycling rooms are located in each residence complex with no designated garbage days. Students can tidy up when necessary or when it suits your schedule, hopefully regularly. Each room is equipped with a recycling bin, and you may want to plan to have your own garbage bin, especially for the kitchen. A garbage bin with a lid is nice. Our front desk lends resources like mops, vacuums, games room supplies, and much more. And these are available to students just by showing their student card. Each student has a mailbox in their residence complex, and all of our mail is sorted by our front desk staff. Any packages that don't fit in the mailbox are held at the front desks, and students are notified at the front desk that the front desk staff has their package so that they can come to the desk, show their student card, and collect their items. Printing services are also available at each front desk at 10 cents per page. And students can access this service by emailing their assignment or essay or bringing a USB stick to the front desk to request printing. It's pretty simple and easy. We do want to remind you to apply to residence by June 1st, 2022. Once you have an offer of admission, you can apply. So our application is open now, and if you've already received an offer of admission, you can apply today. All direct from high school applicants who apply by the deadline are guaranteed a spot in residence. Complete the application on the eRes Life portal and make your deposit, your $400 deposit. The payment options are available on our website. So if you visit nippissingu.ca/residence, you can also see there a link to our application information. It will provide you details on how to make Nipissing University a payee on your online bank account and begin to make payments for things like the residence deposit. I am looking forward to chatting with you in our chat section. Our resident staff are already there. I know we've had some great questions already this morning. I hope that folks will enjoy the rest of the day. And if you are visiting us on campus today, there is an opportunity to have a brief tour at residence if you visit our governor's house. Thank you and enjoy the rest of the presentation.